welcome back to Primary Tutors Scotland. Today we're going to look at subtraction with regrouping, and it's going to be 3-digit take away a 2-digit number. So this is what we're doing today, 143 minus 67. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my headings. This is my hundreds column, this is my tens column, this is my ones column. Okay, this will just keep us right. So first of all, I'm going to get 143 with my base 10 blocks. So there's 100, I'm going to get 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 1, 2, 3. Alright, this is my hundreds column, this is my tens column, this is my ones column. Now we always start with our ones column. So I'm going to do 3 take away 7. So let's go. 3 take away 7, not enough. What are we going to do? Do you remember from another video that you might have watched? So what we need to do is we need to take one of our tens here and regroup it. We need to split it up into 10 ones. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'll drag it down a wee bit to make it easier to work with. And I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to change the colour so we can definitely see that it is, and then I'm going to press this magic button and it's going to separate. So instead of it being one block of 10 that's stuck, it's now 10 blocks of ones. Okay, so I'm going to drag these up here with the rest of my other ones. Alright, so now I've got my red blocks are the 10 that I took from here, and then the 3 were just from my ones column anyway. So how many have I got altogether? Well, I've got 10 red blocks, so I can just start from 10 and then go 11, 12, 13. I've got 13 blocks altogether. So now I need to tell my calculation what I just did so that it doesn't get confusing. So this is what I'm going to do. We took our 10 block and we regrouped it into ones. So how many 10s do I now have? Do I have 4? No, I have 1, 2, 3. So I need to cross that out to show that I now have 3 in there. Now what we did was we put a 10 across. We put 1 10 across. So how many do I have altogether of ones? I've got 13. So we're going to put a 1 here to show that it was the 1 10 across. So basically we just took it from here and put it into there. And now we've got 1 3, which is 13. Okay, so that one stands for a 10, not a 1, because otherwise that would be 4. Okay, so that's a 10, that's a 3, so it's 13. Now we can do 13 take away 7. We've got enough numbers now. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many blocks do I have left? 6. Perfect. Alright, this is going good. Now we need to move to our tens column. So now I don't have 4 anymore, I have 3. So it's 3 take away 6. Alright, 3 take away 6. 1, 2, 3. I ran out of numbers to take away 4, 5 and 6. So we can't do that. We need to regroup our 100 so that we have enough numbers. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click my hundreds, I'm going to press my magic button, and it's changed it into 10. So now I can drag these around and it will be separate. But I'm going to highlight it first because I want it to be a different colour. So let's make it red, and all of these are now red. So let me drag them over for us. Alright, so I've separated my 10 blocks of 10, and we know that 10 blocks of 10 is 100, so that's where these came from. It took my 100 block, and instead of all of the lines being stuck together, all of the tens blocks being stuck together, it separated them. Okay, so that's all that's happened. So now we need to tell our calculation that. So how many hundreds blocks do we have now? 0. We have 0 hundreds. Because we took our hundreds and we broke it up into 10 pieces. So how many tens blocks do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Because don't forget these 3. So now we've got 13 all together. So then we need to show that in our calculation. So we need to put a 1 here. So it's 13 take away 6 now. So let's do that. So we're going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 left. And I've got nothing left to do in the hundreds column because I don't have any hundreds left. So 143 take away 67 is 76.